Once upon a time in a bustling city, there lived a young professional named Emily. Emily was ambitious and had big dreams, but she often found herself overwhelmed with her workload and struggling to manage her time effectively. One day, Emily decided that it was time to take control of her productivity and make the most out of each day. She embarked on a journey to discover practical ways to boost her productivity and accomplish more in a day. First, Emily realized the importance of setting clear goals. She sat down with a notebook and wrote down her short-term and long-term objectives. This exercise helped her gain clarity on what she truly wanted to achieve. By knowing her goals, she could prioritize her tasks more effectively. Next, Emily learned the power of time blocking. She dedicated specific blocks of time to focus on different tasks. For example, she allocated the morning hours for her most important and challenging work, when her mind was fresh and alert. The afternoons were reserved for meetings, emails, and administrative tasks. By sticking to this schedule, Emily found herself accomplishing more in a day than ever before. Emily also discovered the value of regular breaks. Instead of pushing herself to work non-stop, she would take short breaks to recharge. Whether it was a brief walk, a few minutes of deep breathing, or a quick stretch, these pauses allowed her to return to her tasks with renewed energy and focus. To further enhance her productivity, Emily embraced the power of saying no. She learned to decline non-essential commitments and delegate tasks that others could handle. This freed up more of her time and mental bandwidth for the things that truly mattered. As Emily continued on her journey, she found that maintaining a healthy work-life balance was crucial. She set boundaries and made time for activities that brought her joy and relaxation. This helped prevent burnout and ensured she could sustain her productivity over the long run. Lastly, Emily learned to celebrate her accomplishments, no matter how small. She kept a journal to track her progress and acknowledge her achievements. This practice provided a sense of fulfillment and motivation to keep pushing forward. Over time, Emily's newfound habits transformed her productivity. She accomplished more in a day than she ever thought possible. Her dedication to setting goals, time blocking, taking breaks, setting boundaries, and celebrating her wins had paid off. And so, Emily's story became an inspiration for others seeking to boost their productivity, manage their time effectively, and accomplish more each day. Remember, with determination and the right strategies, anyone can achieve their goals and make the most of their precious time.